hello, namaste Bharat. You are listening to Shri PADMASHREE Radio 20.5 FM and it's me RJ DHANUSH and with me
RJ Bharat.
Today's school news. Dear parents, the management has planned for field trip from 5th grade to 9th grade. Parents who are willing to send the kids need to send the consent letter today.
Breaking news. Gujarat is spreading biggest solar power revolution in India. Other states can catch up.
Job seekers made to count trains at New Delhi railway station cheated of over rupees 2.5 crore.
World news. Taliban bans university education for Afghan girls.
Tourists stuck in Machu Picchu due to Peru protest are lifted out.
COVID news. As COVID cases in sonar in China, India steps up tracking of variants.
Today's interesting fact. Today we are going to learn about aeroplane. Some planes can fly for more than 5 hours after one of their engines goes out. If someone dies on your flight, their body might stay in the cabin with you. In flight, oxygen masks aren't intended to last the whole flight. Aeroplane air is significantly drier than you might experience on Earth. A Boeing 747 is more fuel efficient than your car. The Boeing 747 burns about 1 gallon of fuel every second or 5 gallons per mile. Reversing this gives us the figure of 0.2 miles per gallon of fuel. This is much lower than the average car's fuel efficiency at about 2.5 miles per gallon. But considering the number of passengers, the 474 carriers, it is far more efficient. This breakdown explains that because the plane carry about 500 people, it's actually getting 100 miles per gallon per person. A hijacker once relinquished control of a flight over beer. An engineer designed a plane with a detachable cabin to save passengers.
Let's move to today's weather report. Today's temperature is 19 degrees Celsius. Feels like fog. No precipitation expected today. Today's sun rises at 6:37 a.m. and sunset at 5:59 p.m.
Thank you, Bharat.
Let's sign off. It's me RJ Bharat and
RJ DHANUSH from Shri PADMASHREE Radio 20.5 FM.